Okay, first you want to start with 3 blank sheets of journal paper. 1, 2, 3. Number them 1, 2, and 3 as reference. First step after that is you want to make 1.5 inch line dots as a guide to make a line. So on the left side of the journal page, from the bottom, measure up 1.5 inches, put a dot. Then you're going to take your ruler, go to the right side of the page, from the bottom, measure up 1.5 inches, and put a dot. And what those 2 dots will serve as is as a way to make a nice straight line all the way across to make your first section. Just like that. Then you want to make a second line that's just as wide as this one, just as tall. And so to do that, measure from this line that you just made 1.5 inches and put a dot. Go to the right side, measure up 1.5 inches, put a dot. After you've put those 2 dots, you can use those as a guide to draw your line all the way across. And it should come out just as wide and just as tall as the previous section. Okay, and you want to make it one more time. So from this line that you just made, measure up again 1.5 inches and put a dot. Do it one more time over here on the right side. Put a dot. You've got your guide. And now you can draw your line all the way across. And those are the 3 lines that separate the 3 sections. Okay. The next step is to draw the vertical lines. The way that you need to do that, from the left edge, you want to measure, you want to use centimeters this time. From the left edge, measure in 8 centimeters. Put a dot. And then go in 16 centimeters, put a dot. Then you want to go move your ruler down towards the bottom somewhere. Doesn't matter where, just close to the bottom. Go in 8 centimeters again, put a dot. Go in 16 centimeters, put a dot. And those will serve as guides to draw your lines straight. So after you've drawn those, this line or this dot and this dot, you can now use it to draw a straight line from your top line all the way to the bottom of the journal, or to the edge of the journal, just like that. And then you can do the same thing over here. And now you've got your basic setup. And the next step after this is to cut everything.